So I'm at home right now, and Saeed just hit me up and told me that he was about to come by because he lives in the city now, so he coming to visit. So I'm, boy, if you don't, I'm gonna prank him. I'm gonna just take his car when he get out. He's not gonna know what's going on. He's gonna think that I was just trying to get something, I guess. I don't know. But when he get out, I'm gonna just take the car, just drive away. I'm gonna try to get his reaction because I'm gonna hide behind someone else's car. But let's see how this turned out. But yeah, when he get here, I'm gonna hide and get in the car and leave. But I'll get back to y'all when he gets here. Pulling it right now. He's pulling it. Oh yeah, he's right there. He doesn't know I'm hiding right here, but he's gonna know. Oh, I'm trying to get down. Can we see him through this car? Oh yeah. Oh, we can see him through the car. We can see him through the car. He's right there. I think he's gonna turn around. We trying to hide though. As soon as he get over here, my mom and them is over there. They're gonna talk to him when he got the car. So when he parks, I'm just getting that joint. Right there. He doesn't see me, I don't think. Hopefully not, because if he does, that'll ruin the whole thing. When he get out and walk over there, I'm gonna go hop in the fucking car. I'm gonna hop in that shit. Oh, we in the car. 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 Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah!
He needs some milk.
What if I told you it was just a prank, bro? Got that boy. He thought I was about to
He
take his
needs
car.
some
Where
milk.
you thought I was going, bro?
Damn, bro.
Where you thought I was going, bro?
Where were you, bro?
Huh? I was hiding behind a car. I caught you though.
Fuck.
Dang.
Damn.
How that feel? You
I
coming?
was laughing.
You
I
just
was-
got back,
I
bro.
was
How does that feel?
Fuck, feels like shit, my nigga.
Yeah, you got caught, boy.
Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna get your bag, bro.
Alright, bro. Yeah, we gonna see.
Damn, bro.
Alright.
No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. Running some bitch for my bros, I'm